Downloading data from Hotels.com can be useful for various purposes, such as tracking bookings or analyzing travel trends. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hotels.com website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Navigate to your bookings. Once logged in, go to the My Account or My Bookings section. This area typically contains all your past and current reservations, which is where you will find the data you want to download. Step 3. Select the data to download. Review your bookings and select the specific reservations or data you wish to download. This may include details such as dates, locations, and payment information. Step 4. Look for download options. Check for any available options to download or export your data. This may be represented by a button or link labeled Download, Export, or similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Save the data. Follow the prompts to save the data to your device. You may need to choose a file format such as CSV or PDF and select a location on your device to store the file. Once you have completed these steps, you should have successfully downloaded your data from Hotels.com. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.